If you're into DIY, this is a video for you. Enjoy. Hello everyone. In today's video, as you see, this is going to be a DIY video, which is part of my channel as well. If you're new here, welcome. I'm starting off by switching out my knobs. I purchased these from Amazon. I forget how much. I will have it linked below for those that are interested. They were very easy to put on. They come with different types of screws to put on. Took less than 5 minutes. And as a tip, if you're going to purchase these to install, make sure you have the appropriate tools to use. You will need a Allen wrench or a screwdriver, and it may even be beneficial to have two people if you're planning on purchasing these. They turned out so pretty to be so inexpensive. Next, what I'm going to do is just clear the vanity off, which was also purchased from Amazon a while ago. I'm finally getting around to making it look more adult, I should say, because I thought that looked kind of kiddie. If you're interested in see the finished look, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions about anything, you know what to do. And if you want to see more of Neferpersona, go ahead and pop that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Ma'am, move.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'll be taking up. It is going to
Zion.
Mommy,
Scoot over there. You see that paddle over there?
no.
I'm gonna get it in a second. Move. Move out of the way. I don't want you. Move your hand. Move your hand.
Okay. Look, he's going. He's going back home. Yay, going.
Alright, this is a lot better. The other paper was making me pretty much dizzy, but this one is okay. It's like a faux granite type. You like it, babe?
Yeah. This is the bell.
Yeah, it's better. Looks better. Matches this one over here. Try to make it match that one, but it's on the wall. Maybe pretty cockeyed. You have migraines, you can't really stand to see stuff like that. It moves. So, and then I'm anemic, low blood, and it drives me nuts. So I'm going to figure out a way to put this mirror up here. This is the reason why I haven't put it up. This little thing right there. So slowly but surely
Mom,
getting it done.
working, Ma.
What? Make it work. Put your back into it.
No.
But it's it so far. Then I got a little junk right there. It's coming together.
Yeah. Look at the bell.
What you trying to say, man?
Santa surprise.
What you trying to say? You trying to showcase your brilliant work that's on the wall that you did right here?
Look, look, Mommy, look.
You did all that. It's amazing.
Look. The bell.
Bought it from Amazon originally, and people kind of laughed. Like, I posted it in the makeup group that I'm in, and this girl was like, "It looked like a little kitty thing." Where I'm like, you just gotta make it your own. Like, it's come along. I've had it for almost a year, and I've just stared at it to try to figure out what I was gonna do. The only thing I don't like about decided to move it around is that it will have the holes left in the wall, and I have to kind of cover them. Like all these marks. Alright, for those that are still hanging in with me, I received these lights from a very close friend. She was nice enough to gift them to me. They're actually plant lights, I think that's what she said, but I had an idea. I asked her if I could have them, and she actually brought them to me to work. Thank her for that. But I had a vision to use them for my vanity because, like I said, I like to step out of the box, and I did not want to have those light bulb type of lights on my vanity. I want to be as minimal as possible, and honestly, these kind of blend in with the wall when they are not on. What I did was just took my time and kind of measured where the little openings are on the back. Of course, with Zion's help, she had to make her appearance, being very dangerous with things. She didn't hurt herself, I ended up seeing her with those scissors, so don't fret. But I lined them up as best as I could while she sneaks and eats the candy and makes all of these little faces while she sneaks and eats the candy. She's a candy muncher, like sweets. But most of the things you see me using here are very cheap or very inexpensive. The contact paper is, of course, from Dollar General and Dollar Tree at $1. The mirror, as you saw, is from Lowe's, or did I get it from Home Depot? Can't remember. But what I'm going to do next is finish putting the light up, and then I'm going to show you the embellishments that I'm going to put on the mirror. got that done, and I just turned them on to see how they look. And then this is my final step that I'm going to add as far as decorations. As you see, this is what these are called. I got them from Dollar Tree. I have 2 packs, and I honestly need to get another pack because I had an idea after I finished of some other things that I could decorate using this. I did not know they were going to look like this. I also have declined that you have to glue on yourself, but this adhesive works so good. It's not cheaply made or anything like some stuff you can get from Dollar Tree, but I can advise you not to wet it because you're going to mess them up. And I just use scissors to cut the pieces I need. Very easy to cut. You can just kind of glide your scissors along this to cut it. But this is what I embellished it with to hide the clips for one, and then just to make it a little bit more glam. Don't want to glam it out too much, especially when you have a male that shares the room with you. Alright, so I finished with that little piece, and then these are also some very pretty butterflies that I got from Dollar Tree. They came in a 2 pack, or was it one? No, it was just 1 pack. They were $1 each, and I hate that I did not get more. I'm gonna go back and see because I've had these for maybe 2 months before I decided what to actually do with them. At first, I was gonna hide the clips with them, and then I was like, well, the stickers are hiding the clips, so let's just randomly place them somewhere on the mirror as if they're kind of fluttering about. And then I use the remainder of the embellishments, is what I'm going to call it, to kind of line the edge to make it a little bit more glam glam. Like I say, I need to get some more because I did not make a full square with them. I didn't put it on the sides, and I want to do that. And I may also put some on the legs. So I'm going to go out and get some more, but this is it for the time being. I'm going to show you how it looks in all different types of light, with the lights on, with the lights off, at night. So let me know what you think. And I'm still trying to find the perfect seat. Haven't found it yet. I haven't seen anything that caught my eye. What I may end up doing is actually just repurposing the one I already have some type of way, just make it a little bit more comfortable. But I would prefer to have something with some back support because I do sit there quite a bit filming my videos and doing my hair and my makeup. So I just wanted to be a little bit comfortable and just use the stool for something else. But I'm just giving you a little bit of a glimpse of how it looks at night. Please let me know what you think about this, if it's something you will actually be trying. And the little cups you're going to see my brushes in, I also got from the Dollar Tree. And the things that I have my makeup on, a little stand. It's actually a letter holder that I got from Walmart, I think, for a couple bucks. And that little quote also found from the dollar store. So I think everything is kind of meshing together quite well. I will do a final reveal of everything that I glammed over. I did quite a bit of things, so stay tuned for that video. Not quite ready to post it just yet because I have a little bit more things to tinkle with. So hit the subscribe button to follow me and see more of my content. Check my Instagram out at Neferpersona, or my other just random page, which is at Shana Sunshine. And you can also find me on Pinterest and on TikTok, even though don't do much on TikTok right now, but the other platforms I'm pretty active. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and peace out. Bye.